Hi, my name is Holly. I'm here to see Ashanti at VIP Lux Salon. I came about a month ago to get a silk press and it lasts for 3 weeks. Normally it does not last that long here in New Orleans because of the humidity. So I'm back today to get another silk press by Ashanti because my curls came back.
Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of VIP TV. I know that I have been gone for a while, but I am back and I'm better and so excited to introduce the new Grow Healthy Hair System to you guys. The response from our clients and customers has been crazy. Thank you guys so much. First up, we have the Grow Shampoo. After saturating the hair completely with water, you're going to want to add a liberal amount of shampoo to the hair and work it all around, nape, temples, all around the hair. You can add a little bit of water to expand the product. Then go ahead and massage that thing in. In our salon, we like to shampoo the hair twice just to make sure that any buildup or debris that's left on the scalp is completely removed. Any product buildup or anything like that is completely gone. So you might want to do that at home as well. I know that some of you guys have a favorite first or second shampoo. This shampoo actually works great as a first and a second. We actually don't recommend that you use any other shampoos in conjunction with the Grow shampoo because the system was designed to work together to maximize effectiveness. So when used properly, the Grow shampoo creates an environment that prepares the hair and scalp to receive all the benefits of the Grow conditioner, and it cleanses and strengthens too. Notice how easily it rinses out, but make sure you get it all before moving on to the next step. Next up, we have Grow Conditioner. Oh my God, I love this stuff. It makes your hair feel amazing, so soft, so silky. It's infused with biotin, aloe, sage, and real silk. Thanks. Now, I love to use a lot of conditioner. Of course, it depends on the amount of hair you have, the length, and the density. But go ahead and add a good amount in the beginning. You can always add water to expand the product like I'm doing right now. The great thing about Grow Conditioner is that it makes hair very easy to detangle. You're going to feel it as soon as you start working it in. Now go ahead and start detangling while the Grow Conditioner is in your hair. I like to section the hair and start from the back, from the bottom up. You can use a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush, whatever you like for detangling. Now on to the final rinse. Look how soft and beautiful her hair is. Still very easy to detangle. Run your hands through it. Do you see that definition? Gorgeous. Now to apply the key product in the Grow Healthy Hair System. Grow Drops are by far our best-selling product because they work. Simply part, apply to scalp, and massage vigorously. We recommend using them at least 3 times a week. Allow me to introduce our Silk Shot Serum. This is one of our newer products and it's an absolute must-have if you want to take your silk press to another level. Simply apply a few drops on each section. Work through with your fingers and make sure to catch the ends. I like to get in a quick detangle before stretching the hair and putting her under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the hair to dry in an elongated state, making it easier to blow dry and straighten in the upcoming steps. Moving right along to the blow dry process. This is where our Silk Shot Spray really shines. At this point, the serum has infused the hair with frizz fighting and heat protection properties. Now we use our Silk Shot Spray to seal the deal, adding another layer of heat protection and improving the glide of your blow dryer and flat iron. The Silk Shot Spray and Serum has left the hair pretty straight after blow drying, which makes it easier to do a one-pass process when flat ironing. Remember, temperatures vary based on hair thickness. On her, I can do about 430. On somebody with thinner hair, $390 to $410 would work. That's it for me in this edition of VIP TV. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video on your social media. You can hit the link in the description for more information on the VIP luxury hair care line. Until next time.